Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by auditing your site and competitors to know what to chase and why it matters. Once done, prioritize 20 relevant domains by authority and audience fit, then craft 3 tailored outreach templates for guest posts, resource links, and broken link pitches. Make sure to customize each message with a specific page and clear value offer. This first action sequence gets you contact-ready and focused. It converts generic outreach into targeted asks that editors actually respond to. You now execute. Create link-worthy assets such as original guides, data studies, or infographics that justify a backlink. Once assets exist, send personalized pitches referencing specific pages and suggesting exact placement for your link. That clarity raises acceptance rates. Make sure to follow up twice at spaced intervals, offering extra value like exclusive snippets or images. Track every contact and outcome in a spreadsheet or CRM so you can iterate on messaging and you finish by confirming links go live and verifying anchor text and placement align with your goals. Once links appear, diversify your approach between guest posts, resource inclusions, and partnerships to reduce risk. If links aren't secured, dig into why. Improve pitch personalization, adjust timing, or replace low-fit targets. Make sure to /B test subject lines and opening paragraphs, then reallocate effort to channels that convert. One troubleshooting tip: when response rates drop, swap outreach lists and test new asset formats immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.